Good afternoon, I'm Kim Baez. It took years, but Savannah Redding finally has the answer she wants. The United States Supreme Court ruled last week that her constitutional rights were violated when she was strip searched at her Arizona middle school. Redding now lives in Hobbs. She sat down with News 13's Ian Schwartz to talk about the landmark case. He's in Roswell.
Kim, it won't be long before Savannah Redding's story is in law school books across the country. But even with that national publicity, she said her goal has always been the same, to fight for students' rights.
19-year-old Savannah Redding spends her afternoon reading thank you notes from complete strangers.
Congratulations, thanks for fighting this until the end.
And what a fight it was for Redding. At a Safford, Arizona middle school, the then 13-year-old was forced to strip down to her underwear after officials said she brought ibuprofen to school. The search exposed her breasts and pelvic area, but no pills were found.
It frustrated me that everyone else could see that it was wrong except for the people who did it.
Redding's family sued the school. The case jumped from court to court, finally ending up in the U.S. Supreme Court.
Well, I thought maybe one day I'd see Supreme Court, like, beyond the steps, but I never thought that I'd actually have a reason to be in there.
The court ruled 8-1 in her favor, saying her constitutional rights were violated. The case thrust a somewhat shy Redding into the national spotlight. She said it was overwhelming, wondering at times if it was all worth it.
Then, I started getting emails from students across the U.S. who were thanking me for standing up for not only my rights, but theirs as well. And that made me feel better and pushed me to do it.
She says this win isn't just for her, but for students everywhere.
If we don't stand up for ourselves, who's going to?
Now, Redding said there's one thing she wanted more than the Supreme Court ruling in her favor, and that was an apology from the Safford, Arizona School District. She has yet to receive that apology. Back to you, Kim.
Okay, thanks, Ian. Now, though the High Court ruled Redding's rights were violated, it also said the school was protected from liability and paying monetary damages.